Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send money quickly and securely? Today I'm going to show you how to open Western Union account. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and type Western Union in the search bar. Click on the official website which is westernunion.com. Once you are on the homepage, look for the sign up or register button and click on it. On the registration page, enter your details like your full name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Choose your country of residence and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Once all the fields are filled, click on Create Account. You will see a confirmation message and a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open your email, find the verification message from Western Union, and click the link to activate your account. And that's it, your Western Union account is ready to use. You can now send money, track transactions, and manage your transfers online. Thanks for watching.